Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to generate PDF from Google Sheets. Open Google Sheet file that you need. Click on File at the top left corner of the window. Choose Download from the list. Click on PDF Document. A new window will open. Click on the Export option. You can choose if you want to export the whole sheet or select cells only. Click on Paper Size and choose the paper size that you want from the dropout list. Go to Page Orientation and check the option that you need, Landscape or Portrait. Click on Scale and choose the option that you need from the list, Normal, Fit to Width, Fit to Height, or Fit to Page. Click on Margins and choose the option that you want from the list, Normal, Narrow, and Wide. When you're ready, click on Export at the top right corner of the window. A new window will open. Set the path and save the file. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!